Happy Valentine's, everyone. So I have started fresh faced, okay, and of course, you know, before you even do your makeup, girls, you've got to prep and prime. And I'm not talking about MAC, I'm talking about skincare and priming, okay? So obviously we're trying to just get the perfect base, okay? I don't know what foundation I'm using right now, but I'm just blending it to get the color of my skin. And I love the Beauty Blender, guys. Beauty Blender is your best friend. It literally makes the foundation look so airbrush onto my skin. Oh, can you see that? Yeah, I'm just being a bit silly. You're gonna make sure it matches. Obviously, as you guys already know, if you are subscribed to my channel, you know that I like to match my face to my neck. Okay, so I know you know the drill. So here I am just blending, and I did my eyebrows as well. My eyebrows are fleeky, yes, I know, thank you. So we're just blending away with my Beauty Blender. I don't know why I picked this color, guys. I normally like pink, but obviously I was feeling a bit like, you know, I should go for the blue color, so yeah, I went for that one. Do you like my foundation? I love it. So this is a Born This Way concealer, foundation, whatever. Guys, honestly, this concealer literally is the best thing ever. It's like gonna be the next one to the tape shape, yes. And I'm blending it away with my favorite blue Beauty Blender, and I'm blending. And you know, when I blend, I love to just make sure that it's blended, not like half blended. I want it to be fully blended, so it just looks so seamless and so flawless. Yes, that's super important. And I'm blending. And as I'm blending, I like to do a little bit of a dance as well. And just applying it onto the forehead. So you guys all know highlight and contour. I'm about to explain to you what we all know. Everyone knows how to highlight and everyone knows how to contour. So that's just, you know, what we all learned in primary school. And this is a bit of the Fenty matching stick. And I'm just putting that in the areas to like give a bit of bronze to the skin. Guys, my cheekbones is fleeking to the gods right now, so I'm enjoying myself as I'm blending that out. As you can see, that's why I'm smirking because I know I'm on beat, okay? And now it's time to bake, and I know I love using the Laura Mercier to bake, so I'm just baking those areas, trying to get my makeup set and perfected. This Beauty Blender is doing everything. As you guys have seen, it helped me apply my foundation, it helped me blend my concealer, and now it is also helping me bake. So I'm just like bronzing those areas to set the contoured areas, just trying to let my cheekbones do its magic. And don't you guys make that funny face like whenever you're contouring, or is it just me? I don't know, let me know in the comments. So I'm rebaking again, because my makeup has to last 24 hours. It is Valentine's Day. My man has to see me as I look hot throughout the whole night. And now I'm about to do my eye makeup. So I'm using that concealer to prep the eyes and just like blending it out now. And yes, we're starting with the transition color, which is a brown, soft brown. And I'm just contouring the lid, the crease of my lid. And I'm just like doing circular motions, okay? The more circles you go, the more it blends out. So I'm just doing that in circular motions, like I said before. And I just switched a brush. Do you guys see that? Yes, I switched the brush because this brush is more precise. Yes, precise. So it is really like deepening into the corners. Now I'm using my hands because God gave me hands for a reason. And I'm going to use that to press on that shimmery color to the lid. So this is not a spotlight. It's kind of like a, I don't even know what to call it, babe. Like it's something just, oh. And I'm using a bit of copper because it's Valentine's Day, guys. It is Valentine's Day. And I came to let my man know that I am all his for a reason, okay? So I am just putting that all over the lid. Now I'm blending it out a little bit as well because, you know me, I'm not about that harsh life. I love everything blended. Look at those lashes. Those lashes is about to let you guys know why I'm there, okay? And I'm applying that with tweezers because that's the best way to get the most precise position to the lid, because I like it to be on my eyelid, like on my lash line. Yeah, that's what I meant to say, sorry. So just applying it with those tweezers, guys. Those tweezers are the best tweezers ever. They will literally help you apply your lashes. Like, they're so good. And I'm dancing because I know I'm on point. So now I'm just blending out all those areas, trying to make my makeup look even better. And that brush is doing everything for me right now. And now I am... what was I doing again now? I think I'm just like pressing it in, to be honest, because, you know, I don't really like to sweep off that residue. I like to press it in. And now I'm putting a bit of blusher to the cheeks. That blusher is beautiful. Woo! I'm beautiful. If no one's going to tell me, let me tell myself. And I'm just putting those blushes all around the cheeks and trying to like clean it up a little bit to make it even more fleeky, because those cheekbones are doing everything for me. And I'm applying more blusher. For some reason, I'm just doing a lot of blusher today. I don't know why, but I don't know. Maybe because of Valentine's Day, I'm trying to just show out, honey. I'm putting out a little smoky brown underneath my lash line to just make it nice and sultry. And a little bit more, because you can never go wrong with under eye shadow. Yeah. Guys, why did my makeup look so good today, please? So we're just applying that underneath the eye. Just normal. You guys know how to do this already. You see me do it all the time. Oh, ooh! Highlighter time. So I'm applying a bit of highlighter with my highlighting brush. Fan brush, I mean. And that highlighter is, I'll let you guys know in the comments what that is. Just applying it all over the cheeks, and I'm blending it out because, you know, I don't like it harsh. I like it all like blended in. So I love to blend and apply at the same time. And I'm putting more onto the cheeks. And you guys know I'm feeling myself, because once you put highlight on, you know it's about to be lit. Okay? And the nose like the most important part for me. I love it as my favorite part as well. I love applying highlighter onto the nose because it just makes my nose look snatched. And applying some onto the brow bone as well. You can never miss that. I see girls don't do this sometimes, and I'm just like, girl, just apply a bit of like some to your lashes, to your brows. And I'm applying some mascara. And I'm using my favorite mascara, by the way. I don't even know the name of it, but it's my favorite mascara. Everything my favorite, to be honest. And my lashes are popping. And now it's time for the lips. So, because of Valentine's Day, I just thought, let me do something that's just going to let people know that I'm about to slay. So, I'm going for this very burnt orange chocolate type of lip colour. And just applying that all over. And I think this is matte, but you see. And I'm doing it very carefully because I'm trying to get that sculpt. You know, my lips is amazing. So, I'm trying to really let the lipstick emphasize on the lip so it looks like really, really good. And I'm doing it very carefully. Don't rush, because if you rush, you'll go and end up looking like some clown. So do it very nice and neatly. And I'm just like painting it on. Now we're using that setting spray for Ebony K, which everyone has. And this is going to make my makeup all day, night. All day, all night, until I take it off, honey. And yes, babe, where are you? Babe, where are you? I am ready. Oh, wait, before we go, you know the glow. You've got to let him see you highlighted everywhere, okay? So I'm using a bit of bronzy glow all around the, you know, my chest area. And the more the better. In fact, I want to look as if I bathed in this body oil, okay? So I'm just like putting that all over the neck. And I'm just shining like a goddess that I am. Can it be Valentine's every single day? Yes. Guys, I am ready. And I look amazing. Do you like it? Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Yes.